Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dom. I want to thank you for tuning in and watch this quick tip about the SQ series. Let's jump on the tip of the day.
Hello guys, on this video I'm gonna show you how you can send your main left and right to your left, right and center PA. So that's the way that I use normally to do something like that. So first things that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select my matrix. I'm gonna go on setup, mix configuration, mix stereo, and in here what I'm gonna do, the first matrix will be stereo and the second matrix will be mono and will be our sender. So I'm gonna do apply, select matrix number 1, processing, and in here I'm just gonna write left, right, okay, and I am gonna do matrix number 2 and I'm gonna call this center. There we go. Next things that you need to do on the I/O your output, and you need to assign your left and right center to your output. In my case, just for the purpose of the video, I'm gonna do like 11, 12, and my center will be number A, okay? But you can do 9, 10, 11. So 9 and 10 will be your left and 11 will be your center. Next step, you go main left and right, you go on routing, you click on it and you will send this to, I don't know, -5, and we'll do the center -5. So if I'm gonna play something from my left and right, if you go on our meter, the mix one, I'm gonna push this up, we can see that we have got stuff coming up from left and right and stuff coming up on the center. So that's how you do it.
Thank you for watching guys. Please like and subscribe if you find the video useful. Just remember that these are all tips basic for a new user of SQ series. If you want to see more stuff in depth, I've got quite a lot of stuff on my channel and I'm recording every day new stuff. So if you are interested, just subscribe to the channel so you will be updated with all my new videos. Thank you.